Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an appointment booking system for free using Google Calendar. So you don't need to create a Calendly account or any other paid service like Acuity. So you can simply use your Google account, and this is perfect for you if you're a freelancer, coach, consultant, or anyone who books calls with clients, and you just need a super simple professional way to let people book time with you. So the first thing that you need to do is you go to calendar.google.com. And then once you're here, you go to the left side, you click on create, and you can choose the appointment schedule tab. So here, let's say that we want a booking system for people who want to book discovery calls with us as a freelancer, as a virtual assistant, or what other service you provide. Let's type here, discovery call with your name, for example, with Martha. And then you can select your appointment duration. So it could be 1 hour, but usually my meetings would take like 30 minutes. So I'll go with 30 minutes. Then you can select your schedule here. When are you available from Monday to Saturday? If you're available on Sunday, you can also add that option here. But if you're not, you can click on unavailable. Then you can choose the time zone that you want to follow. Then here you have your scheduling window. You can advance appointments. Here, the default option is 60 days. And then you can also make sure that nobody books under 24 hours on your calendar. Click on next. Then over here, you can edit your booking page photo and name. So you can put your name here and then your photo. You can edit this in your Google account itself. So just go to settings. In location and conference, you select Google Meet, unless, of course, you're meeting in person or you have a phone call that you're going to do over the landline. Then over here, you can have a description that will explain your service. So typically, this will be on your default discovery call page. So let's go over to ChatGPT and tell it to give us a blurb for that. So let's say that I am a social media manager. So let's ask it to give me a 2-sentence blurb to add to my booking call link as a social media manager. So we can copy paste this, or if you want to make it more friendly and conversational, you can edit it. Say, hi, I'm excited to help you. Or I don't like the word elevate, so let's just go with boost. Then, of course, let's make it more polite. Please book a call to discover how we can help you grow your audience, boost engagement, and turn followers into loyal customers. Please book a call at your preferred time and date. So you can add a price here. So maybe your call is free, or maybe you're going to charge a minimum rate. But for me, I'll probably put this one as free. This is a complimentary discovery call. Looking forward to speaking with you. Then maybe you can probably leave your email here as well. Like if you have any questions, please send me an email. Then type in your email address. Click on save. So now that that's done, you can open your booking page here. Go to the top right, click on share. You can copy this entire link and send this to a potential client, or you can post it on your social media accounts, on your portfolio, or your website. Okay, so now that we've done that, let's test it out to see what our potential clients see. That's a lot of C's. Then let's say that my client wants to book a call with me on Friday at 9 a.m. They can put in their first name, their last name, and their email address in the section, and then they can book. Then they will see this notification, and after they click closed, let's check out if we get the appointment, and there you go. You can click whether you're going to be available for this, maybe or no. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any further questions or if you have better suggestions for another tool to use for scheduling. If you're just starting your freelance journey, this Ultimate Freelancers Kit is for you. And it's your shortcut to sounding confident, closing deals, and landing clients. So here's what's inside. You're going to get Instagram templates, LinkedIn and Facebook outreach scripts, cold email and follow-up templates, discovery call questions and scripts, proposal templates, response scripts, freelance contract templates, retainer pitch scripts, and so much more. So it's perfect if you're a beginner freelancer, you're a virtual assistant, social media manager, designer, or basically you're just starting your freelancing journey and you want to take the guesswork out of reaching out to clients. You can purchase the product through the link in the description.